Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear browsing history in the last hour in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to remove your browsing history for the specified time range. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Once the settings page loads, navigate to Privacy and Security and click on it. Step 5. Look for the option Clear Browsing Data and give it a click. Step 6. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last Hour. Step 7. Tick the box next to Browsing History to enable it. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove your browsing history for the last hour. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your browsing history in Chrome for the specified time range on your PC. This will ensure a clean browsing experience and maintain your privacy.